Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to JoinUp. JoinUp represents a combination of geolocation-based social network and the search engine. Now, let's use everyday language. In JoinUp, you can search for the closest friends, persons, or companies according to various criteria such as age, distance, hobby, working skills, nationality, languages, business activity, and so on. Simply, you can find everything you set up in your profile. The distance can represent persons or companies that are closest to your actual location, but you can visit other locations as well. It means that the center of a circle does not need to necessarily be your actual location, but other locations as well. For example, if you are about to go visit Ibiza, click on the hotel you are going to stay. You can search for countrymen or friends who are there right now. And of course, you can contact them directly and arrange a party. Do you need to find the closest hotels, restaurants, or dentists? No problem. If you have chosen the right option, click on the button Map and the route leading to them will appear. In case of persons, the route appearance can be done on request. You can allow or reject this request. We are able to target persons as well as companies according to their status. Till now, social networks were entirely past-focused. What has been done in the past and who has done that? That's nice to know. But the past is already gone, and you have no chance to influence it anymore. JoinUp status is purely future-based. It predicates where, when, and what you are going to do, and how long you are going to do it. How often did you have hard times to figure out with whom you are going to have some coffee, fun, or do some shopping? With JoinUp, it is simple. Just look whose status includes the word coffee, where this person is located, and how much free time he or she has available. If you are interested, you call this person with certainty. If the status coffee is set up by you and you allow to be visible, someone else can contact you, since you already have common interests. Do you search for a job, or do you plan to go on vacation? Set up your status. For example, set the dates you know you want to travel, the destination, and then the travel agencies can target you. Now, when they know you are going to travel, they can compete amongst each other, and you will be provided with their best offerings. If you want to go outside and have some fun tonight, let your buddies know about it. Set your status as, have some fun. Point the place onto the map. Set the time. Select the option, set as actual location, and JoinUp will consider you as being already there. In the evening, all your buddies can see who is there with whom, and super party is agreed without useless and blind calling or texting. Simply, when you decide to reveal to the world a little bit about your future, people and companies have a chance to react. Future is something you can create and influence. Safety is top priority for JoinUp. Everything is done on a voluntary basis. Do you want to be visible, invisible, or visible only to your friends? No problem. You can set up your visibility with just one click. Do you want to be contacted by people, companies, or at this time rather not? Set this information in your profile. Everything just with one button. People you have found in your search can be added to your favorites, friends, and you can even chat with them. Same as within any social network. Besides this, when you need to find each other, you can via just one button find the proper route, either using the button Map if you allow it in your profile, or you can send your location through chat. This function helps to avoid terribly annoying explanations and navigation via phone calls, especially if you're not a very good navigator. Am I not right? And now, attention please. Besides chat, JoinUp offers also one worldwide unique service, and thus mass paid message on the basis of variation criteria. You can send mass advertisements, questions, or messages to selected people or companies. Do you ask a question? Why should anyone respond to it? Because you pay for it. Now we are talking about internet advertisement, and this has to be purchased anywhere around the world, and it costs much more as within JoinUp. In JoinUp, you will earn 12 credit for each person contacted by the paid message. From this amount, 1 credit goes to the contacted member. By the way, the credit is identical with the euro currency, and other currencies are recalculated in accordance with the actual exchange rate.